today we are going to learn about transferring data or AirDrop from iPhone to Android and Android to iPhone. The procedure is quite simple. First of all, you open Zapier. You install this app here, the first one, Zapier file sharing. Then go to your Android phone and install this same app. These apps are free for Android and iPhone as well. Just go to your Play Store or whatsoever store you are using, Samsung Store or Play Store, then install this app on your Android phone. So open this app here and open this one on the iPhone as well. I can transfer videos and whatever I want to transfer. So just go to your videos here. First of all, this one icon, you click on this one and here you select this one. Okay, and you create the group. And next, okay, this is a QR code. It says like it's scanning, and now you can go to this scan option and scan this QR code. Alright, so it says join. Alright, as you can see, the both of the devices are connected. Now I have these videos 1 2 3 4 5 6. I want to transfer. Alright, so it's gonna transfer. You can see the progress here. Now you go to history and these are waiting, and here you see all the files. Okay, this is how you can easily transfer data from Android to iPhone and iPhone to Android. You can transfer anything, movies, videos, files, or documents or contacts. So if you like the content, subscribe, share, and like. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.